Thank you for taking the moment to look at our video on Go With That. Go With That is a software used primarily within the context of EMDR or exposure therapy. Within the next 5 minutes, I'll show you everything there is to know about Go With That. First things, Go With That offers the ability to use 5 preset objects or shapes. These objects are presented on the screen to the right. This window can be moved to a secondary display simply by dragging to the desired monitor configuration that you have set up within your operating system. Go With That has been designed for the use within a dual display environment, meaning this window, your output window, can be placed on a secondary monitor, a TV, your projector source, or any other configuration that you can display from a Mac or a PC. Simply by dragging this window over to your other display environment. So this is your control window on your left. The control window determines all the different configurations for what you will see on the right hand side. So in this window we can adjust the size, the shape of the visual stimuli, the colors of the backgrounds, and the objects themselves. You can also adjust the color to your own liking by using the color mixer in both the PC and Mac environment. So you can see there's a lot of choices there in terms of color. In addition to the pre-set shapes, you can also choose any custom object. Included in Go With That is a library of over 400 images. Click on the Load Custom Image button and it should take you to the images that came prepackaged with the software. Simply clicking on your graphics file will load the image. Clicking Remove Selected Image will remove the image from this white box, but it does not remove the image from your hard drive. Clicking on the name of the image in the list will display that image in the preview area as well as in the output window. The types of files that are supported are PNG, JPEG, GIF, and bitmap files. So we're going to go with the butterfly image here. We'll click on Use Selected Image. We can change the background color and the direction for which that object will travel. Again, the speed controls the size. The jitter control is a control used to introduce a flicker on the screen, and that may be useful in situations such as external monitors and particularly external projectors. This is a preview area, so you can see the object traveling on the controls window and not on the output window. you want to add sound to your object or to your processing experience, you can go to the sounds feature, and by clicking on one of the sound names, it will play the sound. And when there's quite a number to choose from, so when you find a sound you might want to return to, simply add that to your favorite sounds. To select a sound from either list, use one of these buttons. So let's use this. And now when you preview the image, you hear the sound. You can also use your own custom sounds. Any sound file that is capable of being played within QuickTime can be played within the Go With That software. QuickTime is a requirement to use custom audio. To not use sound, simply click on the No Audio checkbox. Show counter will show the repetitions, the count of repetitions that's occurred. Window mode, you can place this in Windows mode so that when you start, the object is seen in the window. If it's not within the window mode, the object will display in the full screen mode. This is full screen. Pressing the Shift and the Space key will exit full screen mode. Some of the other features are a help menu. It's pretty standard. Use the help menu if you get lost and you don't know what to do. But pretty much what you've seen is everything there is to know about the Go With That software platform. So very simple, very straightforward, just a small amount of selections and buttons. Once you've set up everything the way you want it, you can save those settings. So we'll save that. We'll save that as test. And our settings are saved. So if you want to come back to that, let's say you've changed a bunch of settings, everything's different, size is all changed. You want to reload your settings, simply click on Open Settings, bring back up the settings that you've saved previously, and there you are. So a very simple, very fast way to set up the program and get it started. I encourage you to take a moment and visit our website at www.gowiththat.com.